Guru Ma, you have shared how to use natural options for face wash, for body lotion, for shampoo, and so many other things. Guru Ma, please share something for face cream, the day cream. Well, today I'm going to share with you how to prepare day cream at home, because it's not important that you use chemicals all the time on your skin, on your hair. Live a chemical free life. So let's understand how to make a face cream. Though I have already shared with you how to make aloe vera gel, kesar serum, clove serum at home, and millions of people have already have got benefit out of those videos and they're using it. But when we talk about cream, let's straight away understand how to make this cruelty free, chemical free, yogic cream at home. So for this cream, we need to have aloe vera gel. So you can take straight away aloe vera gel, but I have my own aloe vera, so I am taking out the pulp of that aloe vera. If you have aloe vera plant at home, you can take out the pulp, and then you don't even need to take aloe vera gel from outside. So take this aloe vera pulp, put it in a bowl, add 2 spoons of glycerine in it, then add spoons of almond oil in it, and then add 3 vitamin E capsules in it. So just cut it, take out press it, and it will come out. Now our this is ready. What we have to do is we have to mix it well, and we have to keep doing that like we do with coffee, mixing it till the color becomes white like cream. So let me mix it for some time, and then color turns into white. You mix it more, it will turn more white. So this mixing part is a little time consuming thing, and then you can just see this is how you apply it on your skin. Very simple, very easy. Everybody can use it except those who have too much of oily skin. If you have normal skin and or dry skin, you can use it as your day-to-day cream, which is cruelty free, which is chemical free. Now those who have super oily skin and they also want a solution for their skin, do write us in the comment box below and we will come up with a special episode for you. But before that, you have to tell me in comments below that Guruma, please make a video on how to make cream at home for oily skin people. That's all for today. Lots of love, light, and blessings. Stay happy, stay healthy. Hari Om.